Hey, how you guys doing today? Hope you've been crushing it. Hope your week has been splendid. So far. Mine has been incredible as well. So I want to drop something incredible, and it's all around the social media space itself. Okay, talking about the social media space, things are moving really fast. Things are happening at jetty speed. Transactions are happening at incredible pace. The world is going really mobile. The world is going really fast, and there is no better space to actually leverage than the social media space. And part of my goal is to help enough people, one person at a time, to help them maximize whatever project, business, passion, whatever thing they are in as much as it is positive. Okay, leveraging the social media space. So today's discussion is going to be a short one as usual. Okay, and it's around an incredible feature on Facebook which most people have not been taking advantage of, and that feature is the watch party feature. Okay, the watch party feature is part of the combination. Say you want to share a video. If you want to share a video, you will see the feature, the functionality called watch party feature. So basically, this feature, which is on Facebook, it's an incredible functionality that will enable you to extend your reach, okay, in terms of whatever passion, whatever project, whatever business, whatever service, whatever product you are into. It's basically going to enable you have more reach, more audience, and your audience could be people you know and people that you don't know. But for the benefit of this training, I'll be giving you tips as to how you can get more strangers to know about your thing. Your thing could be business, it could be service, it could be your passion, it could be your product, it could be anything. Okay, so basically, let's say if you are having a live video which is showcasing your thing, your offering, your business, as the case may be, with this incredible feature that has been incorporated by Facebook, which is the watch party feature, you are simply asking all your friends to tune into your live video. Okay, and on your live video, you might be showcasing your thing, your offering, your business, your project. Okay, so with this amazing watch party feature on Facebook, you are simply asking, okay, all your friends to tune in, okay, to your live video. And you are not only telling your direct friends, you are also asking your friends, okay, to share your live videos with their own friends who you may know or who you may not know. Okay, so with this concept now, okay, your friends and friends, and the chain goes on and on and on, which most of them will become strangers, can know more about your thing, about your business, about your project. Okay, so and the thing now is this: some people might now be saying, what then is the difference between the share feature and the party feature itself, watch party feature? So if you are using the share feature, the share functionality feature on Facebook, there is high likelihood that you're going to get a minimal view in terms of your notification. When you're into a project, when you're into your passion, when you're into a thing, you want more people to become aware of whatever you are into. But with the share feature, with the share functionality on Facebook, your reach will be minimal in terms of notifying people you know and people you don't know. However, with the watch party feature, what is going to happen is that notifying your friends about your live event, they will tune in to watch it, and your friends can also invite their own friends, and their own friends can also invite their own friends to see whatever you are showcasing, probably your passion, your business, or whatever thing. Probably it could be a launch, it could be you wanting to bring something to somebody's notice, it could be probably something that is just happening and you don't want them to miss out on it. So basically, this is an amazing feature that you can actually leverage towards expanding and getting more strangers to know more about your passion. And you know, it's more like a chain organic advertisement, whereby you notify your friends about your live event, your friends will notify their own friends about that same live event, and their own friends will notify their own friends, and it goes on and on and on. And the magnification in terms of notification of your live event in this aspect is going to be very huge. Okay, so in simple terms, personally, it's more like you tapping your friend to say, hey, check that out, and there's another friend beside that one, and that one to tap in the other guy beside him to say, hey, check that out, check that car out, or check that bus out, or check that cake out, or check that food out, and they're all tapping themselves to get attention to say, hey, check that out. So for me, I term this amazing functionality like it's like tapping all your friends to join in and watch a live event where your business or your passion or your service or product is currently being showcased. In simple terms, I term this as an organic chain of advertisement, whereby you don't have to pay for it, whereby people are invited, meaning your friends and so many people that you don't know, to join in a party, to join in an event, to join in a business showcasing and offering, more like getting more people to join in as not to miss the action or the fun. Okay, so I thought I should let you guys know, about this incredible functionality. And one thing about this functionality as well is that it helps you to actually extend whatever thing you are into to as many people as possible without you paying for it. Okay, for the inorganic adverts, you pay for them, but for the organic ones are organic posts that can reach people without you making payments for them. So I thought I should let you guys know about this amazing functionality, and it's something that you can actually leverage towards expanding your business as well. So then the other thing that you can do, is that something I've observed recently is this. There's a functionality that I personally think that the social media has been extending so much. It boils down to this amazing concept whereby say less about your glory, but talk more about your stories. And one thing I've realized around the social media space is that they are laying so much emphasis on the story functionality. Prior to now, the story functionality is kind of limited in terms of the text you can actually input in the story functionality. But now I observe that they have relaxed the story functionality, whereby you can type in more than certain amount of text in the story functionality for you to take advantage of the story functionality. So, and the story functionality too now has also been extended to your Facebook personal profile, your business personal profile, and some other personal profile. Even from your Facebook, you can take advantage of the story feature. From your Messenger, you can take advantage of the story functionality feature. From your business page as well, you can take advantage of the story functionality feature. So that is the bonus tip that I'll be sharing with you today, and I'll be seeing you guys soon. And if you feel this has actually had an impact on you, you can go ahead to share it, you can go ahead to like it, and if there's any aspect of leveraging social media to extend your business, to reduce your cost, to increase your sales, to increase your profits, you can comment in the comment section, and I'll be more than glad, more than happy to actually share my know-how about it. Okay, so I thought I should let you guys know about this, and I'll be seeing you guys soon, and bye for now. Cheers.